Welcome back to Budget Boxer. Today we're looking at the Peak Design Everyday Backpack V2. Now I have it in the 20-liter configuration black, and this thing is amazing because it's a camera bag, a laptop backpack with tablet sleeves, and it's just incredibly well built, and it's great for those weekend trips where you need your gear. So immediately you'll see it has these very nice magnet latches here on the front, and that allows you to choose different volumes for what you're packing. So if you want to put some clothes in the top, you can do that even if you already have all your gear in there. Now when you look on the inside, you'll see there are these FlexFold dividers. So they allow you to change the size of the inside for different size gear or products that you want to carry. You can also flip them up to close off a certain side if you want to put something else on one of the sides or both sides, or just to hold your smaller cameras or lenses safely. So I'm gonna start filling it. So on one side I put a umbrella, and open the other side, I'll put my camera in the middle, and then I'll put a controller in the bottom for a trip that I wanna play on, and then my GoPro accessory case as well. So you can see I have all of that, and it's barely using a little more than half, and you can still put a lot more on the top, on top of the gear. In the back, you'll see the laptop sleeve, and there's also an area to put your tablet and wires and accessories. So it's just really convenient, and you can put the chargers in the sides. There are a lot more storage spots. The straps also have magnets so that it's not flailing around. It's very contained, and there's a chest strap to help you hold everything together well. So that's it. I can't wait to go on my first trip with it, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do.